Hi all, how are you guys? Just came here from my work and want to show you some new edition I have bought. So this came to me from USA, you can see here, and from first view it is nothing special. This is regular extension set, but this is not a regular extension set. Let's start from the brand. You can see this is SUNEX tools. Here you can see it, SUNEX tools. Universal joint and extension set, 9-piece magnetic chrome, 8855. This is part number of this set. This came to me from USA, from Cripe Distributing. Sorry if I did not pronounce the seller's name correctly, but really good seller from eBay. Thumbs up for it. It is not promotional video as always, but I am pleased what I have got, and thumbs up. I have paid only $34 US for it, and let's see what is inside. Here you can see the kit includes 1/4 inch, 6 and 1/4 inch 2-inch extensions, also 3/8 and 3/8 and 1/2 inch 5 and 1/2 inch 10 extensions, 1/2 inch 3/8 and 1/4 inch universal joint. Let's make this accept music low, and let's now continue our review of this tool. So guys, I thought that it would not be so good on feel, but it is very solid, made very well extension set. Here you can see also on the box it says magnetic tips instantly makes any socket magnetic, made from chrome vanadium alloy steel, fully guaranteed, and SUNEX tools, travelers, rest, blah blah blah, USA, made in Taiwan, by under the official license. Also the part number. So let's move on and speak what is in the box and why I picked this extension set. So guys, these are not included in the set. This is my sockets and bolts. I picked them up from my garage to show you how the extension work. Everybody had the situation when you have to put the bolt somewhere, but it is so tight that you cannot put it by your hands and start to screw it. Even when you try to put it with the socket, this is the construction which is not securely, so very little movement and you may lose the bolt once again. This socket does not want to lose the bolt, so once again, so let's give it up and move on another socket. Here you can see I want to show you what about I am talking, and here it is. So it is very difficult in some situations to put the bolt in right place without any special tool. Here you can see it wobbles, so, and when you make so, it will drop down. So guys, I bought this set because of the magnetic abilities of it. So here you can see these are 1/4 inch, 3/8, half inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. Also very solid plastic box with some structures for save some sockets or another stuff, I don't know. You can make so, and it will not move anywhere, so very good. I think for the money I gave for it is simply superb. You can find some snap-on ones, and 3 of them will cost almost $100 or $150. So now I will demonstrate how this extensions will work. Here you can see it has the addition on its heads, and it is additional mechanism. So the structure is, let's focus, the structure is different, and it is not like to any other extensions. Here you can see the tip, and it has the magnetic on the tip. The set is, by the way, new. So, and this magnet will pick, it will not pick so beefy 1/2 inch 17mm socket, but it will pick the bolt very good. Here you can see. And now I will demonstrate to you why I have bought this. Now let's put my 1/2 inch Proxon 30mm socket on the extension. By the way, the fit is very good. So it is mounted, and now I will put the bolt into it. See it? So the bolt is in the socket, and you can screw it anywhere you want. You can screw it down, screw it up, and loosen or screw your fastener, and it will not run out. So it sits very securely. You can see now I'm wobbling, and it is still here. So guys, very good and very necessary tool to every car guy's garage. Now it is the little brother of this one. Let's see how it works. Also magnetic tip on the head. I noticed that the magnets on 3/8 and 1/2 inch are stronger than on 1/4 inch extensions, and it is not a surprise because simply the magnets on that extensions are bigger than compared to these ones. So once again, very secure fit. And now let's put this bolt here. So bolt is here, and you can see, simply super. It will not disappear anywhere, and you can put here it in the tight places and work your way. So guys, let's remove it. Oh, this is very difficult to do with one hand. So everything is clear to 1/4 inch socket, and this guy will do the same. This is swivel head, also magnetized adapter. So guys, let's move to 3/8 ones. This is shorter, and this is a longer one. I think most of the works I will use this guy. And now I will put it on my stainless 3/8 US made 30mm socket, and let's put now the bolt into it, 30mm bolt, and you can see where the magic begins to happen. Even better fit even, and almost zero wobbling compared to the half inch, is a quarter inch, sorry, because it has a stronger magnet and you cannot lose this bolt. It is glued to the socket and you can work with it in any difficult situations. Very good solution. I'm very happy because I have many problems with the jobs, especially on my cars or on my father's GTI under hood bay, and always I have to drop my screws and pick them up with some extended magnets, and it is not very good. So let's move on the little brother of 3/8 one. Here you can see, and also perfect fit, guys. It will not disappear anywhere and it is very difficult to drop it, put and screw or unbolt. Very good. Here you can see it. Every extension has SUNEX tools markings on it, and the part number also CRV is chrome vanadium. So guys, once again everything is clear now with 3/8. Same story with this one. It has also tip, swivel tip. And let's move on half inch sockets. The before is 250 millimeters long, 250 millimeters long. So now I will put this Proxon 70 millimeter socket on it. Let me alone to the darkness. Here it is. I have mounted it, and let's put the bolt inside of the socket. It will connect to the magnet and it will stay there very securely. So guys, here you can see how strong this magnet is. Over and try to drop it. It is very difficult. Here it is how it looks. Put it on your ratchet and you are free to work everywhere you want, and you will not be afraid to drop some bolts on under the hood or somewhere else, and simply you will receive the pleasure from the working on your car with right tools. This is half inch, and let's see the half inch brother of it. Also the story is same. Let's put it on here. So it is mounted and same result, secure fit, and magnet will save you very often. So guys, this is the biggest one, swivel socket with magnet tip, and it will work the same way as this will work. So this is a short video I wanted to show you, but I recommend to everyone to find this type of extensions. This was the last one on the eBay from that seller I have mentioned above, and I bought it. But Gear Range and other brands, Stillman, also have this type of extensions. Go find it out on eBay and you will be very happy, because once again these are lifesavers in some situations. So guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. I'm waiting to get 1,000 subscribers. It will be very cool. We are one community. Thanks for watching and goodbye.